Hello friends, in this video I will show how to enable or disable live preview in Microsoft Word. Open Microsoft Word. Now here click on Options. Click on Advanced. Now in General tab you will see the option Enable Live Preview. Show a preview of how a feature affects the document as you hover over different choices. So to enable or disable, check this box on or off. Just you have to check this box if you need to enable and uncheck this box if you want to disable it. Then click on OK. So this way you can enable or disable live preview in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.